Hi guys, welcome back to Over Channel. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Android phone is not vibrating for calls and notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. The name might be slightly different depending on your phone model. Now scroll down and tap on Call Vibration. Make sure the silent option is not selected. You can also try changing the vibration pattern here. Next, go back and do the same for notification vibration. Make sure it's not set to silent and choose a different pattern if needed. Go back again and tap on System Vibration. Here, use the toggles to enable vibrations for things like touch, keyboard, charging, and more. Now tap on Vibration Intensity. You'll see sliders to adjust the strength of vibration. Still not working? Pull down your notification panel and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. Just tap the icon to disable it. After following these steps, your phone should be vibrating for calls and notifications, unless it's a hardware issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.